Alright, I'm recording now. We have some gusty winds moving in. These are some pretty strong winds moving in from the storm here. Like I said, there's a severe thunderstorm warning on radar here. This is for my area. Today's November 5th, 2025. I'm gonna go turn off this light so you can see the outside better. And that way it'll be easier to see things like power flashes. Hold up. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. My radio has a nice little light. Yeah, so I apologize if it goes out of focus, but hopefully you might be able to see some rain and well, not necessarily rain. There's not a whole lot of rain. I'm mainly talking about 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Right now the strongest winds haven't came in yet. Oh, that's a leaf just blew right there. I was like, wait, what is that? That's a leaf. It blew right at me. Alright, so this line of storms that is moving in right now has little to no lightning. Here's the radar. I have my radio on.
Winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south after midnight. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday, south winds 15 to 20
So this is what it says. National Weather Service. I want to hear my radio repeat the alert. I want to hear if my radio is going to talk about the alert. But this is what it says. And this is until 10:15 p.m. We are on the edge of it there. So at about like 10 p.m. or so, we should start seeing the strongest wind gusts. Yeah, if I go to the weather app on my phone, it's gonna have a red outline because of the alert. Whenever there's an active threat, this is an active threat where you need to take shelter immediately. I never do that. My God, this thing is taking forever to load. My internet's probably slow out here. It doesn't even say severe thunderstorm warning? Oh, never mind, it does. It's 61 degrees.
Northwest 2 feet at 3 seconds, becoming northwest 1 foot at 3 seconds. Friday, south winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon.
So we're not in the area.
Waves 1 to 2 feet, building to 2 to 3 feet in the afternoon.
Most storms. Now it says strong storms, as in like strong thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes. That's what the Weather Channel says, which is really not the case. I mean, these are strong storms. These are severe storms. But this is really not like any super high threat. It's just a bit odd because of the timing of the year. And plus, there was a marginal risk to the north of us. We didn't have a marginal risk nor a general thunderstorm risk today, and we're getting a severe thunderstorm warning. It's kind of crazy. But I guess it can happen. It can happen at any time of the year. It's early November. It can happen in November. I don't think we ever got a severe thunderstorm warning here in November that I remember. I know we did get one in December back in 2021. Did something just blow down? I thought I heard something just like crash to the ground because it was blown down. Here comes a wind gust. This one looks like a pretty strong one. I mean, it was breezy earlier today. There is a wind advisory, but they recently issued the severe thunderstorm warning. Alright, now look at the trees. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, here it comes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna make a YouTube short of this. Guys, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for this area. We have some gusty winds coming in here. Like there's like trees blowing around. There's leaves blowing around. There'll probably be some power flashes. I haven't seen any yet. Well, my radio's going off. It didn't do that first time. Oh, that's Sterling, Virginia. That's not Mount Holly. But there was still a severe thunderstorm warning here, as shown on the radar, right there. We have these really gusty winds. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's gonna blow some branches around. Oh yeah. There's a plane flying. I don't know if you should be flying in this weather. Yeah, I'm making a YouTube short. The screen looks red because I have my blue light filter on. I turn it on at nighttime. I'm making videos on 2 different cameras right now. My phone to make a short and my DSLR camera to make a long video. I wonder if it's going to remind us that the severe thunderstorm warning for Bucks County is still in effect. So it's 9:52. This warning expires at 10:15. Yeah, these storms are. These could be no joke. Like these are actually pretty strong. I think we've had wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour, like already, and it might just get worse. It might just get worse from here. And these storms are moving fast. They're producing winds up to 60 miles an hour, but they're moving at 70 miles an hour. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about, is the power going out. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, yeah. Alright, I gotta end the video because I can't post this video longer than 3 minutes, so I'll see you then. Alright, so that was my YouTube short. It's kind of hard to see him here. Alright. Oh my god, here it comes again. Here it comes again. Oh my god, that tree's gonna fall down. Tree's gonna fall down. Alright, let me look at any updates on the weather. I don't think there are any. But dude, oh, here's another alert. Here's my radio over here. What's this? A special marine warning? Oh god. Yeah, I called it. What was that? What was that? Something just like blew down, I think. Showers were located. Yeah, there's not really any lightning in this, but there's still storms capable of producing winds up to 60 miles an hour. I think some areas might have 70 mile an hour wind gusts. I'm not sure. I haven't seen any power flashes yet. Let me see if I can change the exposure on here. I can't. I think I have to start a new video. I don't want to do that. Dude, I think I hear crashing sounds. I think I hear like stuff blowing down. Like metal or large unsecured objects. Yeah, right now we're getting Might actually show you the map because I think there's multiple warnings. I'm sorry I didn't record the alert for this area from the radio, but I didn't think I'd have to because I didn't expect an immediate severe thunderstorm warning. Wow, these trees are blowing around like crazy. These trees are really blowing around, and there's probably going to be some branches down. There's not a lot of rain. It's more of a gust front, but it's strong enough. It's strong enough to prompt a severe thunderstorm warning. This storm meets severe criteria. What is that noise? This is making me sleepy.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery, southeastern Gusts, northeastern Chester, Philadelphia, and Delaware counties is canceled. The storm prompted the warning have weakened below the severe limit.
Well, there you go.
The warning has been canceled.
Well, that was it.
Still possible with these thunderstorms.
Well, that was it. The severe thunderstorm warning for this area has expired. However, I think we still got like the main wind gusts. I think we still got 60-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, because of how fast the storms are moving, they didn't last a long time. We'll see if there's any more. But that's kind of a good thing because that way I can go to bed faster and keep the video shorter, so it doesn't use a whole bunch of battery and take up a whole bunch of storage space. You know, it's good to have a shorter video. And I'm just gonna film the rest of these gusty winds. I wish it would have stayed in effect though, because you know I like storms. But I think it expired. It is weakened below severe limits and exited the warned area, which is us. It has exited this area, so I think that means it must have weakened below severe limits right after it moved out of this area. So that's good to know. Do we have any other severe thunderstorm warnings in effect? Yeah, there's one in Maryland. There's no like thunderstorm risk down here. I thought we were just gonna get like some winds. I didn't know we were actually gonna get a severe thunderstorm warning. So I'm pretty glad. I don't know why my camera doesn't like to be in focus. But I think that's mainly because of the low risk of lightning here. There were some lightning strikes in the state of Pennsylvania before, and also severe thunderstorm warnings in northern Pennsylvania. So as you can see, all the warnings would have been shown on here, but now that warning is gone because it expired. There's some other warnings here. I think there's a special marine warning there. There's a really widespread severe thunderstorm warning there. This is for 60-mile-an-hour winds. So yeah, I'm gonna mark this down. As you can see, these storms, like obviously they don't look as strong, and they have moved out of this area. So I think this is where they weaken below severe criteria. That area. Also, let me know if you guys like this radar thing that I have, and if you want me to use it more often, yeah, there's still some gusty winds, but these aren't 60 miles an hour. I think we already had the 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, like that's all over, which is nice because that way the storm, if it's not slow moving, it's not going to produce damaging winds for a long time, and and cause more branches to blow around. I mean, like I can just use my flashlight. There's a lot of leaves on the ground after that. Let's see if I can show you. There's a lot of leaves on the ground that have blown. There's probably some sticks down. I don't see any large branches down, again, but that's because it's dark. It's currently 10:01 p.m. So I think that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed those winds. There's still planes. I don't know if this is the best condition to be flying in. Well, yeah, that's it.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 68 at Redding and 66 at Lancaster. Some conditions across southern New Jersey at 9 p.m. It was clear with a temperature of 62 at Millville and 63 at Atlantic City Airport in Pomona. At Wrightstown, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 60 degrees. It was cloudy with a temperature of 62 at Trenton and 63 at Mount Holly. Weather across Delaware at 9 p.m. Dover was 63 degrees under clear skies. Georgetown was 63 degrees under clear skies. Some other locations at 9 p.m. Skies ranged from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. It was 51 at Pittsburgh, 61 at New York City, 68 at Baltimore, and 50 at State College. Once again, at 9 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was 63 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. At the Newcastle County Airport in Wilmington, it was 62 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Fool Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay North of Fool Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Wecasto River including Baltimore Harbor until 10:45 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., showers were located along the line extending from near Haverty Bridge to 7 nautical miles west of Middle River to 18 nautical miles north of...
Alright, well, yeah, I'm just sitting out here uploading videos to YouTube. So yeah, this is the end of the weather front. There's still some gusty winds, but there's not like severe 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts anymore. So that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that was that weather front. This was a cold front. Like today, the high was I think 66. Tomorrow it's gonna be like it's 54. So a bit of a cold front in there. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna turn off the radio too. So yeah, I know, like, I wish my camera would get a better view of the trees blowing around and stuff, like the camera I'm using right now. I'm using auto exposure. I just wish, like, it would not go out of focus so much. Maybe I'll edit this video and increase the brightness so you can see, like, the trees blowing around better. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Also, I have an announcement to make. I'm gonna be going to Maryland on Saturday. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna leave there on Sunday morning. And I think, like, we might have again some sort of weather front. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, that was it. That was the severe thunderstorm warning. That was the that was that front with 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. There's obviously a lot of leaves on the ground. I don't really see any large branches down. I'm sure there's some large branches down. I don't know if there are any power lines down yet. But yeah, I'm sure there's some large branches down. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.